Make a difference with these affiliate marketing tips. Affiliate marketing is a tremendous opportunity to increase your online business and make seemingly easy money. However, given the relative youth of this market and the technical specifics involved, it can actually be quite a headache. This video contains tips and tricks that you can use to simplify matters and make more money doing it. Place keywords in website content. By doing this, the search engines will recognize that your site is probably related to certain keywords and rank the site accordingly. But take care to do this naturally. Abnormal keyword stuffing seems unnatural and unreadable to some. Just use the keywords in a conversational way. When you partake in affiliate advertising on your website, it is important that you be transparent about who you are partnering with. When you are honest, your visitors will feel better about contributing to your profit. If you seem like you are hiding something, your visitors may go directly through the vendor, instead of using your link. When you are pitching your product to a client, elaborate on what the product can do for them, instead of the actual design or functionality. Creating a more personal connection with the client can help them understand the value in putting money into your company, which will improve your business relationship. Bullet lists are a great way to show off product benefits. Having a bulleted list gives readers who don't want to read your whole video a place to see what they like about your product. It also provides a break-in in video, adding to its visual appeal. As mentioned earlier, affiliate marketing has the allure of easy money, but setting up things to generate those easy revenues can be hard. Apply the wisdom you have received from this video, and all things affiliate marketing in your life can actually be easier than you might have ever hoped and dreamed. Student loan.